Hi guys, let me quickly give us tip how to change the background of a picture with Capcut or our videos with Capcut. Come along with me. Come to Capcut, then import your picture, the background pictures first. Where is it? Download desktop. I have it in desktop. So this is the background I'm about to use. Import. So I have the background. Then drag the background down here, bring it down, then you you import the pictures you want to change the background. Click on it, open, boom, is here already. So you also drag the picture, you make sure you bring it closer to the background pictures you want to use. This is the background I want to change, so I want to change it to this very background. This is the background I want to change it to. So I'll bring it closer to the background I want to change it to. You make sure it's in size by size with the background you want to change it to. Then click on auto remover. As you can see, automatically the background have been removed. Then you now position it as exactly you want it to be, the way you want it to be. I want it to look as if it stands at the back of the sofa chair. So you just drag it down a bit, resize it to your taste. You can decide to place it wherever you want to place it. Then this is where I want to place my, resize it a bit. Okay, that. So, boom. Yes, I'm done. As you can see, this is how to change the background of your picture or video. You can decide to make it, you can do your video like this. It's also the same way. And subscribe to this channel. I have more offer to give us. It's pretty simple. This is something that in order to, so you might find it difficult. It might take you a hell of time to get it done. Thanks for joining me. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.